Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts.com. Thanks for tuning in. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how you can take your live Facebook or YouTube stream and use a service called Restream to broadcast that live across up to 30 different live streaming channels online. But before I do that, I'd like to invite you to tap that subscribe button and enable notifications so you can be the first to find out when I release a new video on internet marketing, search engine optimization, web design, and a variety of other related topics. All right, to get started, I'm going to Restream.io. I'm signing up and creating an account. You can just do that by, of course, entering your email address and password. When you first sign up, you'll be asked to enter your credit card information, but if you don't enter it, you can just confirm your email and that will give you access to a free account. So there's no obligation to sign up, and the only thing that you're really limited on are the number of channels that you can stream to simultaneously, but the free account does give you access to enough to get started. So I've gone ahead and done that, so I'm going to log into my Restream account. Now the first time that you log in, you'll look at a little bit of a different setup than I have here because you'll need to add your first channel, and you can do that by clicking Add Channel, and then you'll just select the channel that you would like to add to your group of simulcast live streaming platforms. So if you're broadcasting on Facebook Live, you'll want to connect your Facebook account. Mixer, you'll want to connect Mixer. Twitch, you'll want to connect that. YouTube, of course, Periscope, and there's up to 30 of these, so you'll just select the ones where you want to do the simulcast and add them to your account. Now once you've added those to your account, you can use their built-in studio to go online and broadcast from right here just by clicking on the webcam option and then clicking Enter Live Studio. That fires it up like this. I've already given it access to my webcam so you can see it there. And while you're doing this, you can also manage your chat on those multiple platforms. So a lot of great features here. Now if you'd like to add this to your website, what you do is you click over here on the left side menu, you click the settings option and then click a widget, and that's going to display an iframe embed code. So you'll select that and then you'll copy that to your clipboard by clicking the copy option, and then you'll move on over to your WebStarts account. Now I've already created and logged into a WebStarts account, and when you do that, you'll be in the dashboard view like what you're looking at here. Hover over the thumbnail to your website and click Edit Site. That opens up the WebStarts page editor. From there you can select the page where you would like to add that video player. All of your pages will be listed right over here. I'm going to add it to this page, so I click Insert, HTML code, verify that I want to proceed, and then I just simply paste that code into the field provided and click OK. Now you'll notice that it adds a couple of widgets here to my page. One is just has the Restream.io tag on it. I'm going to just delete that, and I'm just going to drag and place the actual video player where I want it to appear on the page. So now when I go back to my Restream.io live studio and I start broadcasting, it's going to appear not only on my website, but also Facebook Live, YouTube Live, Twitch, anywhere else that I've added a channel to my Restream.io account and authorized it to do the live stream. I hope you found value in this video, and as always, be sure to tap subscribe and enable notifications to see more videos from me, and visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website, online store, or blog. Thanks for watching.